Jump, Annabelle. Yeah! Yeah, Annabelle. Jump. We gotta put these books underneath Annabelle so she can actually touch the floor because she's too little. Hi, Annabelle. Jump. 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 Yay! Yay! Good job. Yay! Hi. See, the adjustments are really low, all the way down, just so she can touch the floor. She still can't, but she loves to jump! Yay! Yay!